If you have been here for a while, you will remember Tanner. Good morning, Akilah. Good morning. Is this what you want? All right, go play. There are fish just jumping everywhere. I came here to be alone and for these hot springs that I'm kind of trying to find right now. I wasn't even banking on having an epic fishing spot, but this might be one. I also say that a lot and end up not catching anything, so. But they are like full body out of water jumping. Oh! Akilah, these fish, there's so many of them. Oh my god. What? This is wild. Look how beautiful this tree is. Oh my gosh, okay, my brain is in 10 different directions right now. I have some work to do. And then I think I'm going to pack up some stuff and head down to that hot spring and spend a good chunk of time down there. Hi. Hi. Hotter. Go down. Definitely should have done this a few days ago. Ow! Your turn. Stop moving. Stop. I know. Come here. Stop. I know, good girl. Hey, can I please brush you? Thank you. Akilah. What? What? Come here. You want to play? Come here. Drop it. All right. Can I brush you now? All right, come. Very good. Sit. This needed to happen a few days ago too. Good girl. Hey, you can sit. Very good. Good girl. Today I decided to mostly just relax. It feels really great to be in a forest. It's starting to cool off here a lot. And it feels great that this is the time of year where warm drinks mean everything, and you always need to have extra layers on hand. Let me guess. Do you want dinner?
I was lost in a city dream, and I was at home again beside the stream. Then you walked past me, and you saw me and smiled.
Yeah, what are you doing?
I will never forget the first time.
Yo!
Yo, what's up?
Well, you know, just eating some salmon, some Brussels sprouts.
Wait,
Yeah, where are you? Are you back at home?
yeah, I was hoping that you'd make it out this way so you could stay with us for a little bit, or hang with us for a little bit.
Yeah, I will on my way back. I'll like make sure of it.
Okay. We need 40, 50 coming up
I
here.
know! I'll get there.
Alright, girl. Have a good night.
Alright, you two tell everybody there good night. Alright, bye. See you tomorrow. Tanner's coming to fish with us. Woohoo! Look. And you can hear. Last night was really cold. Akilah wanted to be under the covers all night. That was super cozy. I slept with my hat on. It's really getting chilly up here, and I love it. If you have been here for a while, you will remember Tanner. Currently 12:19 p.m. and we made a new friend. When I was in Idaho and my van broke down in a parking lot, Tanner's car also broke down right next to my van. We're all hanging out. AAA's coming to get him.
Just meant to be, I guess.
It's a great way to end the evening. And that was the night when me and Dylan and Tanner all hung out till like 2:00 a.m. and waited for Tanner's tow truck to come. Yeah.
And we're gonna be, you know, friends forever in the future, and it'll be great.
Since that night, Tanner and I have stayed in touch. He's a big mentor for me as far as the bow hunting goes. That was just one of those situations where everything randomly came together to present a lifelong friend. All right, say hi.
Hey. How you doing? So it's gonna be a pretty hectic trip. I hear that they're just non-stop catching these fish. Figure there's gonna be some sore arms tonight. Let's get ready.
Let's hope so. No, it's unraveling. Yeah, I gotta go change it. We've been fishing for, I don't know, 2 hours-ish. Time's always weird when you get out here. And we see some big ones that are now starting to surface. He's down there. He said he's gonna quickly just catch this fish so we can eat at least tonight. But he's throwing on a fly right now, a dry fly. But this river's so beautiful. It's like so beautiful, so clear. It's great.
I saw the light go down on Baker Street. Don't know exactly where he wants to meet. The last cigarette, a broken fall.
Some base.
The rain's gonna be really soon.
Last night, Tanner went home after a few hours by the fire. It was really great visiting with him again. And my plan was to wake up early and go and fish. But Akilah really wanted to cuddle. She slept in and cuddled so snug uptight to me till like 10 o'clock in the morning, and I just could not get out of bed. It was just way too nice and cozy. And so I just got done making my coffee, and it is very chilly this morning and very windy, which is never fun to fly fish when there's a lot of wind. So I think I'm going to take this very chilly and cloudy day and head into town and do some work at the library. And then my plan is to come back and fish this really beautiful river later next week and just prepare a little bit better as far as what they're feeding on and time of day. I'll probably go into town as well and visit some fly shops, get some more flies, and chat with them about what they're eating out here. So with that, I'm going to end this week's vlog here. And maybe next week you'll see me with a fish. One of these weeks, you'll see me with a fish. Because that's why they call it fishing and not catching. Akilah and I'll see you next week.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. All the good times just begun.